Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Siobhan and I'm happy to have you. And if you've been here before, welcome back. I appreciate your continued support. So as the title said, my Lucky Box came. So this is the Beautylish Lucky Box. If you're not familiar with the Beautylish Lucky Box, they do have two of them every year, and this year they had some different things going on. So by the time I logged on, the regular Lucky Box was gone, which was sort of nice because I was having a hard time deciding whether I wanted the Jeffree Star Lucky Box or the regular Lucky Box. So since it was gone, that helped. I did also reach out to Beautylish ahead of time and asked them if there was going to be apparel in here. And they said no, it would just be makeup items, which is preferable. So, Lucky Boxes are basically just large mystery boxes. So, the box is pretty big. And if you've never ordered anything from Beautylish, everything that they package is always packaged really beautiful. So, if you go to their website, they actually have some information about the artist who did this. So the regular Lucky Bags, if I can get this, okay. The regular Lucky Bags may have come in something different, I'm not sure. Some Lucky Bags have like gift cards and some will have extra things in them. So we're just gonna go ahead and start. So they have the little card in here, which is super cute. On the back it says, Lucky Bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. The sumo wrestlers, or rikishi, on this year's Lucky Bags are said to bring good luck and fortune. We hope surprises inside make 2019 a little more lucky. So, super adorable. This paper is really pretty. I will definitely save it and use it for something. Okay, so black paper. If I can get through the tissue paper. So this was $75, I believe. So everything is wrapped really nicely. It's gonna take me probably a few minutes to get through wrapping, so I'll try to cut things out, especially since this is loud and obnoxious. So first thing we have is a Jeffree Star Supreme Frost. So I was really hoping that I was gonna get one of these. I've actually not been looking at like the Jeffree Star stuff as much as possible so that I'm not tempted to purchase anything. I don't know why I smelled it. So this is Wet Dream. And it is beautiful. These, I'll do a separate video where I swatch everything. I don't want to swatch it all immediately because I want to enjoy its beauty. So the second thing it looks like is a regular Skin Frost. And this one is in the shade Dark Horse. So, Dark Horse. Let's see if I can... Ooh. So, as a highlight, this is obviously gonna be too dark for me, but this will make just like a beautiful giant eyeshadow, which is awesome. The first Jeffree Star product that I ever tried, the first products were the bags that he did for Black Friday, and I was pretty impressed with what I got in there. This, it looks like, is a lip scrub. Velour lip scrub in French toast. So, cute packaging. if this is something that you're interested in, I do know that on, oh, this has to be new too, because I'm guessing this was holiday, because it has the same kind of packaging. Oh, it smells really good. It kind of smells like maple syrup, which makes sense for French toast. But I'm pretty sure that this sparkly packaging was for holiday 2018. So that's very cool. So I'm super excited right now. I'm not good at showing excitement, but this is the blood sugar palette. This is the one, if I was going to get a palette, this was the one that I wanted most. But I legit did not think that this would be in the lucky bag. I've already opened with this over $75 of product. So the blood sugar palette. This palette is actually, this is almost like, it's like vinyl, like a faux leather, which isn't what I was expecting at all. If by chance you haven't seen this yet, very, very pretty palette. Reds and purples, absolutely my color scheme. Super, super, super excited, and not even done taking things out of this box yet. So this says, coming soon to Beautylish. So let's see what this is. This is Good Molecules Wake Up Eye Serum. So this obviously is not a Jeffree Star product. So it's an extra that they put in here, which is awesome. I love Beautylish. They are just amazing in general. Let's see if there's any information on here. Formulated with caffeine and pumpkin extract to brighten, firm, and depuff. So also looks like it's a really large, yes. It's a pretty large bottle of serum. So it just says suitable for daily use. It might be slightly frozen because I just got home from work. And hopefully that doesn't mess anything up. But the package was outside and it's very cold here. So, also I don't know if I can get this back in the package. I really want to just use the Jeffree Star palette right now. I did not put on makeup today because I knew from... Oh, there's like a whole other thing in here. I knew from the tracking that this was going to be coming today. So, I don't know what this is. I'm pretty sure this is our last item. So, let's see if I can get into this box. I'm curious. I have no idea what's in here. So, it's very light. It's a mirror. It's a really cute mirror. It looks like a creamsicle. So I hope that you guys like this mirror because I'm sure you'll be seeing a lot of it now because I've actually been needing a hand mirror. And I also like that this one has, so it does have, like it has, I don't know how well you can see that, but it has Jeffree Star written out here. And then it has the logo here. But I also like that it's not super, like, I like that it's not like me holding up this where I feel like I've just become an advertisement. So that is my lucky bag. I'm going to grab a calculator real quick and add everything up and let you know what the retail value was. The creamsicle mirror is $20. The lip scrub is $12. The Supreme Frosts. Supreme Frosts are $32. The regular skin frosts are $29. And then the blood sugar palette is $52. And apparently not available on Beautylish right now. So I don't know if it's just out of stock or if it's something that they're not going to be carrying. So I had to actually go to the Jeffree Star website. I am a little surprised that there was not... I'm a little surprised there weren't any lipsticks. But I am actually really excited about the lip scrub. People always go on and on about how Jeffree Star has the best lip scrubs. So we're going to find out. So the Jeffree Star products by themselves come to $145. And then I'm going to see if Beautylish has the good molecules listed so that I can find out what the price for that is. Since this isn't available yet, I'm not able to get a price. So we're going to call it $5 and bring the total to $150, which is what they say the box is worth. These are items that I would purchase, particularly the blood sugar and the Supreme Frost. This isn't necessarily the color that I would have chosen if I was choosing for myself, but this is more fun. So I don't mind. And I do also think that this color is a color that will actually work for my skin tone. So I think that that is one thing that was really nice about this too that I would like to point out is that they included 2 highlighters. One that would be good for deep skin tones and then one that would be good for, probably you could make this work on any skin tone depending on what kind of highlight you are going for. But that's really nice. The ones that came from Black Friday was green. I like the green one. It doesn't really look green on the skin, and I've actually gotten a lot of compliments when I've worn it. But it's not going to be everybody's cup of tea. So I feel like they did a good job of making sure that they were covering for people. I'm excited to finally have a mirror that I can hold and that it's a cream. So I like creamsicles. I think that they are very cute. What are you focusing on? But probably one of the things that makes me most excited about it being a creamsicle is that creamsicles were my mom's favorite. And so I'm going to think about her whenever I'm using it. And also it's something that I don't think is a terrible eyesore when I'm holding it, which I kind of touched on before. Okay, so I'm just rambling now. I'm excited. I am probably going to use some of these products right now. So if you're interested in seeing that, it's going to be in a separate video. I did also film a skincare and hair routine video that somebody had requested. So I filmed that last night. I need to edit it and post it. It'll be up in the next few days. And yeah, if you're interested in seeing that or seeing what I do with these products, then you should go ahead and subscribe. And if you like Lucky Boxes, you should give this a like. If you like mystery box openings, if there's anything specific that you would like to see me open on my channel or any kind of subscription boxes, I'm always interested in hearing about new ones. I do the BoxyCharm and Ipsy. I'm always back and forth. Every month I say I'm going to cancel and then somehow end up not canceled. But yeah, anyway, I will definitely do this again next year. It was absolutely worth it, and I love Beautylish. So I will leave a link to Beautylish down below, and also I'll try to remember to link the products. I will put the website that is on this box down below. It's just getgoodmolecules.com. Right now, when you go to that website, it just tells you that they are about making skincare at an affordable price and gives you a spot to put in your email so that they can reach out to you. So this was just kind of like a cool bonus item. I definitely tend to like Korean beauty care, and I'll have to do a little bit of research about the products that are in here. Just looking at it initially, I don't see anything that I think is terrible, but I'm also not the best with knowing skincare products without looking them up. I don't remember what is what, and so many things sound the same, or there's so many sort of combinations of different things that are very similar that it's just hard to know. So I will use this once I am done with my current serum, so it'll probably be a month or so before I start. But once I have used it, I'm going to probably use it for a solid 30 days before I give any kind of feedback or review about what I think about it, but I will do that. So that will be coming in the next couple of months sometime. I'll probably just add it to my project pan when I'm done with my current serums. So, yep. This is like my third time wrapping this up, so I'm going to wrap it up for real this time. Thank you so much for being here. Hope that you're having a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. Bye.